Kids want to be holiday gift givers too, though they probably love being on the receiving end most. So help little one crafts presents such as journal, calendar, and personally packed edible treats for their favorite people. Kids can personalize the items inspired by their art project to show their appreciation for their parents, grandparents, and teachers, and take pride in putting their creativity to good use for a generous cause. While they are packing granola gift boxes or decorating cookies tins with hand-drawn designs, the little one in your life will jump at the opportunity to pick up crayons, markers, and colored pencil to make something special. Many of projects double as easy way to make multiple gifts using your kids' artworks, and all of them are bound to make an adult smile this holiday season. Number one is granola gift box. When the family decided to spend an afternoon making gift for teachers, easy assembling line production is key. Everyone pitches in. Someone makes a bright batch of granola, which is simple to customize with different adds in. Someone else finds the jars of raw honey and plans the packaging. Opt for someone comfortable wooden box listed with tissue. Then the kids take over filling and sealing the bags of granola, packing the box and making labels to tie on with waxed twine. Those few hours prove a perfect antidote to the frenzy of the holiday season. Second number is relatable snow globes. Kids will love making these cookies snow globes, having them decorate homemade gingerbread cookies with royal icing and candies, and produce luminous trees by melting hard candies into triangle shape. Everything is anchored with more icing and sealed in glass jar with painted tops. Primed and with queso, the contents are edible but are more likely to admirable than eaten. Number three is iron on accessories. How you can share your kids' creativity with family and friends. For starters, use your children's favorite drawing to decorate canvas bags, checkbook covers, or eyeglass cases. It's quick and simple to do with iron-on transfer papers that fades through any inkjet printer available at craft stores. Print a drawing onto multiple sheets of it, trim out the design, then use a dry iron to transfer the image to clean canvas according to the instruction on the package. Isolate one image from a busy drawing to make a bold, modern, and cute statement, or duplicate a single drawing several times to make a pattern. Decal cookie tins. There's no better gift for a teacher or neighbor than cookies or candy packed in a keepsake tin. Print a child's drawing on a watered slide decal. Some decal have a transparent background, others are white. To protect the image, spray decal with caustic spray. Let dry trim it to the desired shape. Soak the decal in water until its backing separate from it. Then place the decal on a tin. Push out excess water with a tissue and let dry. Spray it with the coating again long after the sweaters are gone. The tin will hold the memory of a child's gift. Number 5 is kids art and handkerchief. A pendantly elegant accessory, a handkerchief becomes a wearable work of art with a custom drawing with family crayons available at craft store. Draw directly on a cotton or linen handkerchief after practicing on paper. To heat set, place a scrap piece of fabric over the drawing and gently iron according to instruction on the crayon package. Tie the folded hanky with waxed cord or thin ribbon. Add a gift tag and place it in a color coordinated envelope. Number 6 is checkbook cover. These practical yet playful covers make even the most mundane task more